Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today is an unboxing. So if you saw my last video, which was not many, first I'd like to say thank you everyone for supporting this channel. I'd like to say that please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 by end of January. I'm currently on, what is it, 817, so I can still make it. The reason why I'm saying so much is because if you check my video out last time, I'm going to say this again anyway, is Tuesday, just gone. What was that, 14th? I can't even remember now. Tuesday or Monday, I can't remember. That's how bleak it was. Is my team, myself, over 35 of us got taken into a big hall office, and we was in a Teams meeting with the senior members, and we all got made redundant. So yeah, I work in a tech company, in the tech industry I'm in, and they're moving on to AI, so a lot of our work we do practical is pretty meaningless now at the moment. So we got into February the 28th, and then we will serve our time. We're currently in a 45-day period of consultation. So yeah, so basically I just ask everyone a favor to subscribe to my channel. That'd be amazing. Yeah, me and my friends, this is Friday night, 17th January 2025. Four of us, yeah, went out for a drink Friday, kind of drown our sorrows, talking shit about our company and so on. Well, anyway, enough of that. Please subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you. I bought this phone about, what was it now? I bought this on GizTop. I'll leave the link below in the description. It cost me about £200, £199 plus 90 something pence. So say round it off to £200, including delivery was about £9. So say just round it to £210. This is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro, but this is the Chinese New Year edition, because Chinese New Year is in the 29th of January. It's the year of the snake. So for those guys and girls who year the snake, well done. And I got this a few days before myself and my team got announced that we got made redundant. So yeah, anyway, unboxing. Yeah, I just wanted something nice looking. I know they just recently released the global version of the Pro, the Note 14 Pro and the Pro Plus. There's many versions. There's the Poco 7 as well. There's a lot of differences. Also, yeah, check out the intro scene. I put the specs in this. This one is, because I think there's 3 versions or something, and each one has slightly different specs. So definitely check it, because Xiaomi doesn't make it simple with all the different variants they have. Okay, I'm a little bit drunk, by the way. We're into the pub. Do bear that in mind. So what's inside here? Let's put this aside. You got the phone. Okay, this is from Geek Wheels, so I'll leave the link below. Here's a red one. I'm going to put that aside. Inside here you have 45-watt charger, UK plug. No, sorry, international plug. They give you this with every. I got loads of these, so that's fine. I got plenty of chargers now. 45-watt charger. Google, Samsung, Apple, effing Sony, put a charger inside. And then you got the charging cable, which is, oh man, I can't even see. Let's have a look. It's an A to C charger, which is always good. So I'm going to keep that. I won't even use it. I don't even really use much of charger. I'm going to use Anchor and generic cables. Okay, let's have a look inside here. It usually comes with a case, as Uncle Spurt would say, a condom case, which is a bit weird because usually Chinese companies tend to match the case with the color. Since this is the red, for Chinese New Year, it's a bit weird having a black one. Like normal, I tend to kind of buy other cases like special seafood ones, transparent ones, to really showcase the designs. In what else have you got? Paperwork, and okay, and you got SIM charger. There you go, SIM tray removal. So all your usual suspects from a Chinese phone. I assume, I haven't seen it, but definitely check out some of the YouTube videos when you get the international or global version. They probably don't have the case or the charging brick, typical in the West. Apologies for my chair is still squeaky. Okay, this is it. I wanted to go for some phones that didn't break the bank account. I've been getting a lot of flagship phones, 600, 700 pounds. I wanted to kind of go for something a bit more affordable. Remember, I did get this before, a few days before I got, no, about a week or so before I got made redundant. So there's three places I tend to get my import stuff is Wonder Mobile, Geek Wheels, and Giztop. I tend to get Wonder Mobile first because they usually are cheaper and their delivery is a little bit faster as well. Not to say this took about 10-11 days, so it's not bad, but they did charge for delivery. Unfortunately, Wonder Mobile doesn't carry that many stock. Okay, here it is. Oh, it's quite nice to hold. It's got curved glass. This is using a MediaTek 7300 Ultra quad core. This one's a 8 gig 128. So 8 gig RAM 128 is a 6.67 inch screen, 120 Hz, so it's pretty good. It's got that curved display. It feels good in hand. Camera bump because this is a Chinese New Year edition. Remember, in China, Chinese New Year is coming this year on 29th of January, and Chinese red is such an important color. So on this side, you know, I can't even see because, apology about that noise. My sisters, I've got two sisters in the kitchen today. This seems to be the volume worker. I'm trying to find hard because the buttons are in black and it's really camouflaged. This must be the power button, nothing else. USB-C, SIM tray there, and the speaker. On this side, you got, I can't feel anything, so nothing on the left side, and everything's on the right side. Top, you got more speakers, probably an IR blaster. You got, that's it, yeah. You got the hole punch, and so on. So this is a Chinese version. This is using HyperOS. What is it? HyperOS on, I think it's Android 14. Correct me if I'm wrong. But there's a bunch of versions. I know there's a bunch of versions out there, like a Poco version, and then you got the international version or global version. But this one has a different one. But this one has a 50 meg camera. It's got a bunch of cameras. That's where they change some of the settings, where the global version will get a different lens and this get a different lens. There's so much different versions. Anyway, this has a really nice smooth feel, and it doesn't, which is good. I like this. It doesn't show any fingerprints, as you can see. Apparently, this has this kind of shock absorbance, and you might have seen Ben. I can't remember his surname. Ben channel when he throws it around. It's got meant to have a really good shock. But it really feels good in hands. It's quite, I think it's a bit thinner than normal. Let me just get my, say, other phones out to compare the size. Oops. You can see it's a little bit, definitely a little thinner. Because I'm so used to 6.8 inches. This is 6.67. You know, feels great in hand. This is going to be my, can't even say backup now. But I'm going to start getting a bit more cheaper mobiles, you know, just kind of do the channel and everything like that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to come back to everyone, because I'm going to do maybe you know, if you follow my channel, you know I do like 2 videos. I do the unboxing and so on. This was sealed, so they didn't. I probably have to install Google Play myself, because it was still sealed. But unlike Wonder Mobile, where they usually open it up and put Play Store for you, this one was fully sealed. So I assume I have to put Play Store myself and set everything up myself. So what I do, I'm going to set everything up, download the apps, delete all the apps I need to delete, and maybe put Nova Launcher. But I'll probably play around with HyperOS, see how it goes. If not, I'll put Nova Launcher and I'll do some photos, photos from day shots to night shots to video footage, day shots and night shots, and then just give you everyone an overview of the operating system, how it feels, sound, and all that stuff in the next video. I'd like to say thank you. Please like, subscribe. As I mentioned earlier, yeah, I really, if you can, guys and girls, help me out, be great, because as I mentioned, I am unfortunately being made redundant. And so all your help will be amazing. Anyway, I'd like to thank everyone. Until next time, please stay tuned for the next few days, but I do more of a hands-on deep dive in everything. Yeah, until next time, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world, please do stay safe. Goodbye now.